Yo guys, today going to my channel. Today back at it again. So today we are I'm just gonna do a very easy tutorial on how to do riffle shuffle. It's very easy. Some pros will just use it, and then yeah, let's get in the video. So guys, first I have two methods of doing this. So I'll show all the two methods. I'll just perform it. Then we'll just move on to the tutorial. So first method, I'm just gonna do it. This is the first method, and I'm gonna do the second method. Yeah, that's it guys. So let's move on to the tutorial. So tutorial is very easy guys. So I'll just show you the position of the left hand, how to hold it. So you gotta have your two cards over here in the middle finger and this finger. Just hold it like this, and the thumb should be at the top. Just hold it like this, and this bottom finger, it should be over here like this, and then this finger should be like this to bend the cards. Alright, to bend the cards, but the starting, if you want, you can keep, otherwise not keep. But after off, you should just bend it. So first, you don't bend it, you should be this side, so that you can just take it like this. I have two methods. The first method is taking like this, like just riffling it through to the off and then just taking. But the second method is, I think so, it's easy for me. How it is in the new card set, it will be difficult, but in the old card set which I have, it will be easy for you. Just leave it loosely and just take off like that. So first I'll show you the easy method. How to do. So first just take this, just take it like this. So just hold your hand loosely for this one, and then just keep it in the center. Just randomly just take it, and then now I'll show you the movement of this hand. After you take it off, these two hands, just these two fingers in the same as that hand, and this hand, nothing should move. This hand should be like over here, and then this should receive like this, and then just hold like this, just like that. Just pull it. Now I'll just show you once more. Just take like this, and then these two fingers over here, and then now just hold it like this with this finger, this first finger, just hold it like this, and then this thumb should leave that, so that this finger has support, and then this left hand should leave when this holds at the same time, and then now the same position both should have. So this is the transferring of one full deck to off, and then now what you gotta do is, otherwise now I'll just show you the next method, the difficult method, little bit difficult. These one only pros will do, like just riffle. They'll just riffle and go through. They'll just riffle, and then they'll do the same method what I did. They'll do the same method, and then now what you gotta do is, you just gotta hold it like this, and then just push this with this finger. Just push it. Otherwise, sometimes if you do with this only, it will go like some mistakes will happen. So just hold it like this, and then just push it just like that. Push it, and then now you should just leave it one by one, just like that. So just after leaving it, you'll get a layer form like this, one upon another, like that. Here I did not get perfectly, so you should just try. Here I did not get perfectly, so I'll just do it one more time. So see this, just get your nice grip, and then now just see this. Here I think so it formed nice layer. Yeah, it just formed nice layer upon layer upon layer. So I'll just do this, just see, just like that. And then, so I'll just teach you how to do that now. So just keep like this. After you just leave it, there you can see that there is a lot of layers forming, and then now just holding like this. You'll be holding like this, right? Wait a second. You'll be just holding like this. Just do this, and then after you just riffle through the cards like this, you'll just have holding like this, right? So these first and bottom fingers should not do anything. You should just hold it like this, and then just this card, just take these cards with all the four hands, and then now just make a bridge. Just hold this like anything. Don't get scared that your cards will happen something. It won't happen anything to your cards. So just bend it like this, just bend it like a bridge, just with all your force, just bend it, and then just leave it little bit, just like that. Leave it, and then that will form an awesome this thing. So now that is it guys, the riffle shuffle tutorial. Yo guys, that's the riffle shuffle. Hope you liked it, and just try this and show it to everybody and then just show off. Riffle shuffle is just very easy. Just try some 1 month or 2 month, you can just do like a pro. So yeah guys, just subscribe down below and hit that bell icon so that you never miss another video, and then support is peace. Bye.